Breathe in. Move. Listen. Invite Jesus to your space. Welcome, friends. Today's workout will be full body weight only, no equipment necessary. So take a moment, check into child's pose, and set your intention. Today isn't about perfection. It isn't about proving yourself or comparing your journey to someone else's. It's about becoming. Every time you choose to show up, you're casting a vote for the person you're becoming. Sometimes we want dramatic transformation overnight, but God often works differently. He builds us one faithful choice at a time, one sunrise, one prayer, one breath, one workout, one act of courage, one day at a time. And as we move today, don't worry about doing everything perfectly. Instead, simply stay present, stay breathing, stay willing, because every time you show up, you're becoming stronger than you were yesterday. Let's begin today in downward facing dog. Plant your hands down on the mat, tuck your toes, open up your fingers, starfish fingers. Release your heels, bend the knees slightly, and take a moment. Take a deep breath in, elongating your neck and your spine, and exhale, empty. We'll begin with a cardio exercise to increase the heart rate. High plank. Touch your right elbow with your right knee, left elbow, left knee. Hop to the front of the mat, come up, do a nice deep chair squat. Then from here, hands behind the head, elbow to knee, that's one. Bring the hands down, jump or walk to plank, elbow to knee, step or hop to the top of your mat, sink back into your chair, hands behind the head, twist and twist. Feel free to go faster, slow it down, whatever feels good for your body, your momentum, your speed. Stay with it, breathe through it. Let's do it again. Come back to your plank, elbow to knee, step or hop, sink back to chair, hands behind the head, twist and twist. Again. Good, keep going. Only 4 more to go of these. Step or hop, sink to chair, up, twist, and twist. Again, work your core, stay strong through the crown, work your shoulders, step, sink back to chair, twist it out, full body workout, building heat with cardio before we get into toning exercises of the muscle groups. Sink, all the way up, twist, and twist. Again, you've got it. Last one. Knee, step or hop, sink to chair, twist it out, elbow to knee. Beautiful job. Bring it all the way down, back to your plank. Last 15 seconds, knee to nose. Good. Or take it across the body, elbow to knee. Use those obliques. Stay with it. Breathe. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop the knees to the mat. Come down into a tricep push-up. Bring it back up. Extend the knees to plank. Push back, downward dog. Let's continue. If you'd like to challenge yourself, you could stay in a full high plank and a full high push-up if that feels right for your body. Good. Forward, drop, tricep push-up, extend, lift those knees, back to downward dog. Good. Continue with your breath, your movement, connecting with that breath. Extend and downward dog. Inhale, plank, exhale, drop, inhale down, exhale up, inhale, extend, exhale back. Good, we have 3 more to go. We'll continue to work a little bit more in the upper body. Stay with the breath. You're doing a beautiful job. Last one here. Hold your downward dog. Breathe. Good. Start to walk out the calves here, bicycle on the spot, and move forward into your plank pose. Shift forward to back, forward to back. Good. Stay with that core control. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Drop down to the knees. Bring your elbows in, tuck them to the rib cage, a set of 8 push-ups. Down and lift. 7, and press. Good. If you would like to fire up even more, you could do a full push-up without the modification on the mat. Good. Come back to your plank pose. This is only a 15-minute workout. Keep going. Keep breathing. Come down to your elbows. Hold your elbow plank. We'll double tap our knees to the floor and lift. 1, 2, extend plank. Down and lift. Double tap and lift. 1, 2, and lift. Your muscles are learning, your heart is learning, your mind is learning, so keep showing up. Good. Shine the light through the crown. The back is nice and straight. There's no arch in the back. Keep going. Keep breathing. Last one. Hold. Drop it down to the knees. Stay on those elbows. If you'd like to make it a little bit easier, come up to your hands. We'll extend our right leg, point our toe. If you're on your knees, slightly move the body forward, as if you're in an elbow plank. You'll start to feel the core engage. Point your toe and lift it up and down. Up and down. Lift and lower. Exhale, inhale. So we're focusing on the glutes, lower body, at the same time continuing to pull the navel to spine, firing up the core and upper body through the shoulders. Breathe. Shine that light through the crown, pull the navel into the spine, try not to arch the back. It's not about the height of the leg, it's about the form, the core engagement. Just breathe. Working from your glute muscle. Good, it's about the feeling of the glute. Fire it up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it right there. Pull the belly up into the spine, little tiny pulses. Lift, lift, lift. 8, 9, 10, 10 to go. Good. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Take a rainbow kick up and over. One corner of the mat to the other. If for any reason this is feeling too difficult, come up to the hands. Same exercise with your hands on the mat. Either variation works. Stay in the shifted variation of coming just slightly forward into your elbow plank so you can get deep into the glutes. Strength isn't built when everything feels easy. Strength is built in the decision to stay one breath longer. 4 to go. 3 and 2 and 1. Good. Hold it there, drop the knees, hold your plank pose. And now we'll pivot to a modified supported elbow side plank. I'm just going to turn it around so you can see me. We'll start to reach up and lower the hips and lift. Exhale on the lift, the hardest part. Keep the arm extended. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Good. Hold it right there. Reach your arm up and over the head. Get length and kick arm and leg at the same time. Point your toe and lower. Exhale, inhale. Lift and lower. Good. Holding the control in the core. Push the elbow away from the mat. Ears come away from the shoulders. Stay tall through the chest. Good. Last one. Good. Lift it up and hold it. Breathe and then drop it down. Come back to your elbows. We'll reposition ourselves into our elbow plank again and hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop it down to the belly, nice cobra pose or sphinx. This is our only break for this moment, so take advantage of it, breathe through it, stay in this baby cobra, find rest, restoration. Let the heart rate settle back down. One more breath. We'll get ready for that other side. So start again into your first plank pose. We'll stay on those elbows and double tap the knees to the mat. 1, 2, lift. 1, 2, lift. Good. Working your core, pulling that navel into the spine as you shine the light through the crown and the tail. Nice long line of energy. 1, 2, plank. 1, 2, plank. 2 more. 1, 2, lift. Last one. Good. Hold. Come down to your elbows if you're not already there. Reposition your body. Take your time to come up into your hands if that feels a little bit much in the shoulders. Wherever you are, we'll bring our weight forward, whether we're on our hands or our elbows. Extend the left leg this time, point the toe, navel to spine, bring yourself forward and kick that leg up and down. Exhale on the lift, inhale lower. Good. Fire up through the glute, focusing on the slight repositioning of your weight forward, which will help us to engage the core, but you'll feel it in the shoulders as well, the quadricep. One exercise, we feel this full body toning. Breathe. Kick with control. Modify whenever you need to. Listen to your body. Make good choices and set your own expectations. 3, and 2, and 1. Hold it up. Little pulses from here. Lift, 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 lift. Squeeze the glute. 10 to go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Rainbow kicks up and over. Tap to one side of the mat, to the other. One corner and the other. Exhale on the lift. Breathe. Good. Stay mindful of the positioning of your body. Pull the core, the belly into the spine. Feel the engagement in the core, in the glutes, in the shoulders. Full body. 3, and 2, and 1. Good job. Back to center, drop your leg. We'll lift our bottom foot up and come into that supported side, modified side plank. Take your time to align your body, hip over hip, shoulder and shoulder. Reach the hand up high to the sky when you're ready, and we'll hold. And then wake up those obliques, lift and lower. Again, exhale on the hardest part, that lift. Inhale on the lower. Good. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reach that arm up and over the head. Hold it. Breathe. And one leg and an arm at a time. Make that connection. Kick it up and down. Exhale, inhale. Lift. Strength through the quadriceps, strength through the glutes, the core, the obliques, and the shoulders. 9. Hold it. Pull the navel to spine. Drop it down when you're ready. You did it. You arrived. Come into a child's pose as we finish today. Take a moment to notice something. Maybe your body feels stronger. Maybe it simply feels tired. Both are okay. Because what matters most isn't one workout. It's becoming someone who keeps returning, someone who keeps believing, beginning again. Progress is rarely dramatic. It's faithful. Keep showing up, keep breathing, keep trusting. Little by little, God is building something beautiful. Namaste. If you enjoyed this practice, give it a thumbs up, subscribe below for more Christ-centered yoga videos your way. Have a beautiful day. We'll see you soon.